Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Nerds. In this video, I'll show a simple trading strategy that has a higher win rate. This strategy was created using two incredible indicators. Indicators will provide entry and exit signals so you don't have to spend more time with charts. You have to spend only a few minutes per day analyzing. Before making this video, I tested this strategy with major currencies and some crypto pairs for the past 2 years. As you can see, most trades are successful with more than 100 pips. This strategy works perfectly well. I use a risk-reward ratio of 1:3 for each trade. I'll explain everything you need to know about this strategy, including the best time frames, currencies, indicators, entry rules, and exit rules, so stay until the end. Before we get started, please make sure you have subscribed and turned on notifications, so you won't miss any future uploads. Also, I'll make videos based on the comments section, so comment down below what kind of content you'd like to see next. So let's jump right into the video. Which time frames should you use for this strategy? Using the right time frame is very important. Traders can use this strategy for day trading, as well as swing trading. So I use a 4-hour time frame to swing trade. For day trading, I use a 1-hour time frame. I'm looking for better entries in a different time period. I'll tell you right away. This strategy works well in longer time frames because there is less market noise. Also, news events have less of an effect on longer time frames than on shorter time frames, like 5 minutes or 15 minutes. I tested it on major currency pairs and a few crypto markets, and it seemed to work pretty well. In my opinion, it's best to stick to the Bitcoin and Forex market and 2 or 3 currency pairs. After choosing that, you must take a back test for at least 2 years. If it worked well in the past, there's a better chance it will work well again. The first indicator I used for this strategy was the half trend indicator. Go to the indicators list and search for half trend, then select this and apply it to the chart. The main line, which is blue and red, gives the buy and sell signals. These 2 lines with dots on them are channels, and they are based on the ATR. You can change the values for the main line, which is this, and the channel deviation. I'll go with 5 and a channel deviation of 2 points. The half trend indicator is a trend indicator that makes zones based on the intersection of moving averages. The indicator shows a change in the trend by drawing bearish and bullish invalidation zones on the chart. The half trend indicator also shows how strong the trend is. If there is not a trend, the indicator will remain flat, but if there is a trend, the slope will go in that direction. When the price stays on the half trend indicator for too long, you can also tell that the trend is weakening. I personally like the half trend indicator over moving averages for my own personal preferences. Even people who are new to trading will find it easy to use the indicator to help them with their needs. The best thing about this indicator is that you don't have to change the values to use it for different time frames, and work perfectly. Half trend indicator gives good signals, but sometimes it gives bad signals too. The half trend indicator gives very good signals, but if it is used on its own, it can also be dangerous. When the market has low volatility, half trend indicator change colors again and again. So, I added another good indicator to help me get rid of bad signals. Laguerre RSI, or LARSI, is the second indicator of this strategy. The Laguerre RSI is a modified version of the standard RSI with reduced noise and lag. The indicator is more responsive to price and has fewer whipsaws. The main idea behind this indicator is to buy when it goes above 0.2 and sell when it goes below 0.8. When the indicator stays flat above the 0.8 level, you may have a strong uptrend. When it stays flat below 0.2, you may be in a strong downtrend. John Ayler has introduced the Laguerre RSI. It gets rid of the problem of trading signals being late in the regular RSI indicator. In other words, Laguerre RSI minimizes noise and lag. Regular RSI is on top and Laguerre RSI is on the bottom. You can see that the RSI delays the overbought signal and makes a lot of noise. However, Laguerre RSI goes directly to overbought and oversold areas without any delay. Laguerre RSI lets you make smooth indicators with small amounts of data. The smoothing reduces the choppiness found in the regular RSI predecessor, and while Laguerre RSI is smoother, it captures larger price moves well. It provides a quick response RSI without losing reliability. You now understand how indicators work and how to select the best time periods for your trading style. Before we get into trading rules, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on, so you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get to the trading rules. To buy, the Laguerre RSI should be oversold and cross the 20 level from below. When this starts happening, the price should be in the buy zone according to the half trend indicator, so we can filter these false breakouts. The next rule is to wait for a pullback in a shorter time frame. Shorter time frame is determined by the time frame used to obtain the main signal. You can use 30-minute or 1-hour time frames if you use a 4-hour time frame for the main signal. If you use a 1-hour time frame for the main signal, you can switch to 5-minute or 15-minute time frames. Let's see a buy example. Here the Laguerre RSI line is crossing up the 20 level. I added a vertical line so that we can easily identify signals when we switch time frames. Here is a perfect pullback. I enter the trade when the price crosses above the ATR line of half trend. You can use any confirmation indicators, tools, or systems to enter the trade. For example, I used the Fibonacci tool to confirm the pullback, and it tested the 0.5 level before rising. I'll show you another example of buying Bitcoin. This is the 27th of July. The Laguerre RSI gives a buy signal in the 1-hour time frame when it crosses the 20 line. I draw a vertical line and then switch to a 15-minute chart to look for a pullback. When the price crosses above the ATR of the half trend indicator, I put a buy trade here. This is a huge win trade that I think is fantastic. The sell rules are the opposite of the buy rules. To sell, the Laguerre RSI should be overbought and cross the 80 level from above. When this starts happening, the price should be in the sell zone according to the half trend indicator. The next rule is to wait for a pullback in a shorter time frame. This is the pullback in the shorter time frame, and I will enter here. You can catch more than 100 pips in one trade using this strategy. Thank you for watching, Trading Nerds. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. And be sure to subscribe and turn on notification because more incredible content is on the way. See you